Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Log In. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Parler account. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for more future videos. Now to log into your Parler account, you can visit the website which is parlor.com. Next, you can click on the sign in option located on the top. Now in the login page, you can enter in your mobile number, email address or username that you used while signing up for Parler, and then type in the password. If you want to reveal your password, you can click on this eye icon. Now if you don't remember your password or if you're having trouble to log into your account, you can click on this option to solve any issue. Now when you're done, you can hit login. And just like that, you have been logged into your Parler account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and we'll be back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.